Hello, I'm Wolfgang Ulaga, Professor of Marketing at INSEAD Business School in Fontainebleau, France. Here at INSEAD, I design and lead workshops with companies to help them grow their marketing, sales, and service excellence skills. I not only teach in the executive programs, but also in our global MBA programs here at INSEAD. My sessions mostly focus on customer centricity, building better customer experiences and service excellence, how to grow from products into services and solutions, and how, most recently, companies can leverage data and analytics for building digital offers, mostly in the B2B space. Our session is designed around the core themes of how to build customer centricity into the organization and how to instill a customer-centric culture in the company. To this end, we focus on 5 main topics. First, we ask what is customer centricity and how does customer centricity contribute to acquiring, growing and keeping a satisfied and loyal customer base. Second, we ask how digital trends transform how we engage with customers and how we can bring more value to customers through digital technologies. Third, we ask how new digital technologies can be leveraged to improve customer experience, oftentimes at lower cost. To this end, we discuss startup company Lemonade in the insurance industry and review how this company disrupts incumbent insurance firms by designing, delivering, and executing a value proposition for customers in insurance. The company uses artificial intelligence and behavioral economics to provide an outstanding customer experience in the insurance world. We also review how this example can be applied to other industries, such as banking, for example. Next, we ask how digital technologies enable entirely new business models. For example, subscription-based businesses are on the rise. Across many industries, we see a shift from ownership to usership. In many startups, subscription-based businesses are the key model from the beginning. But also other companies like IKEA, furniture as a service, or Schneider Electric, building technology as a service, try to use new subscription-based business models. We ask how subscription models can help here experiment with new pricing models and commercial prototyping to gain more value in your respective market. Finally, we bring it all together by asking how our structures, processes and people must adapt in this new digital environment. For example, new job descriptions like customer success management emerge. How to use these new functions and how to build them in the organization. Finally, we also ask how to instill a customer-centric culture, how to link corporate values to individuals' activities and behaviors to create this customer-centric mindset. In sum, these are the 5 topics we address in our session.